how to fix if the Reddit app isn't working on Android. So if the Reddit application is not working on your Android device for some reason, there are many different issues for this and reasons why this is happening. The first thing we want to check is our internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. Because many of the time what happens is that your internet connection might not be properly stable. Second is, what you want to do is if you're using the Reddit app on Android, I would recommend that you just long press the Reddit application on any Android phone from your app launcher. Then tap on this I button that says App Info, which will be found on any Android device, by the way. Then from there you can go to storage usage, as you can see. Then you can see clear cache, tap on clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. If you're using an iPhone, just try to offload the app. Last but not the least, come to your Play Store or your respective app store and search for the Reddit app. Check if the app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, then feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.